सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 10.4 problem number 5. Look at the question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, making a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. Given here one right circular cylinder which is in the container shape. It is filled with ice cream. Okay. Consider it is a container. Okay, generally container like this. It is completely filled with ice cream. Okay, right. This is the diameter of 12 centimeter and height is nothing but here length. So if I take this in horizontal direction, suppose if I take this cylinder into vertical direction, it would be like this. Okay, diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeters. Okay, it is having ice cream in that. Okay, right. So from this ice cream is filled into the cones. Okay, ice cream is filling into cones. Cone is like this, we know that already. Okay, cone is filled with ice cream and the top is like hemisphere. Okay, it is completely filled with ice creams by taking from container. Okay, what we have to find actually here? The number of such cones which can be filled with ice creams. Okay, how many ice cream cones we can fill here? Okay, that is we have to find here. To find that, first of all we need to find the quantity of actual ice cream. What is the quantity of actual ice cream here? That is nothing but volume of the ice cream, nothing but volume of the cylinder. Okay, if you find the volume of the cylinder, we get the quantity of ice cream first. Okay, first of all find that. Quantity of ice cream is nothing but volume of cylinder. Okay, that is the volume of cylinder is equals to, what is the formula? Pi r square h. Given d is nothing but diameter 12 centimeter, that is nothing but, what is r value? R is equals to d by 2, 12 centimeter by 2, 2 ones are 2 6 centimeter is the radius. Okay, and h is given how much? 15 centimeters. Okay, substitute the values here. So pi 22 by 7 into r value, that is given 6 centimeters here. Okay, r we got 6 centimeter whole square into h is nothing but 15 centimeter. Okay, right. So simplification, 22 by 7 into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 15 centimeter. Okay, is there any possibility to cancel any terms? Okay, there is no possibility. Okay, right. So I am going to erase here. Is it clear up to here? Right. So take the multiplication. 22 into 6 36 centimeter square into 15 centimeter by 7. So 36 into 22, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is 6, 7 and 72 again, 2, 9, 792. 792 into 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 46, 4 carry, 5 7s 35, 39 and 792 as it is, 0, 8, 18, 1, 10, 11. Yeah. What we got? 11880 is the volume of the ice cream we got. Okay. Yeah. So what is the volume we got? 11880 centimeter square into centimeter cube. Okay. This is the quantity of ice cream, nothing but volume of the cylinder we got. How much? 1118 centimeter. Sorry, I'm writing clearly here. 11880 centimeter cube. Right. Next. Yeah, this cone is a combination of, the second thing we have to find the volume of the cone, which is a combination of hemisphere. Okay. Why we need to find this cone here? Volume of this cone. Right. So we need to find the number of such cones to be filled here. Okay. Actually. So first of all, find that one cone volume. Okay. Right. So here given ice cream cone is a combination of cone plus hemisphere. Right. How much quantity of ice cream is filled in that cone? That is nothing but volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere, isn't it? Is it clear? What is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h plus hemisphere nothing but, what is the formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Yeah, here the diameter given, I think. Yeah, what is the diameter? Yeah, the height of the cone is 12 centimeter. The height of the cone is 12 centimeter given, and the diameter of the cone is 6 centimeter. Okay, the diameter of the cone is 6 centimeter given. The diameter of the cone and the diameter of the hemisphere both are same because they are coincide there. Right, 1 by 3 pi r square. It's okay. Sorry. Yeah, what is the R value? R value is nothing but, so given D. So D is equals to 6 centimeters given. 6 centimeter given. R is nothing but D by 2. That is nothing but 6 centimeter by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So R we got 3 centimeter and H is given already 12 centimeter. Okay. H is given 12 centimeters. Right. So we have to substitute these values in these formulas. So I am going to erase this. Yeah. So 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 into r square is nothing but, what is the r value? 3 centimeter whole square into h is nothing but 12 centimeter plus volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. R cube is nothing but 3 centimeter whole cube. Okay, is it clear? Right. Right. So I'm writing here 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 12 centimeter plus 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 centimeter whole cube. This 12 is not here. There is nothing but this diameter of the that cylinder. Right. 3 gets cancelled, and 3 12s 36. 22 into 36 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube by 7 plus 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So here it is 3 gets cancelled. So this we have to multiply 36 into 22. I think it is 72, 72, 2, 9, 792. 792 centimeter cube by 7 plus, now we have to simplify this. 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. 18 centimeter cube into 22 by 7. Is it correct? Yeah, 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18 centimeter, 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 centimeter cube into 22. Okay, 22 into 18, 8 2 is a 16, 1 carry, 8 is a 16, 19, sorry 16, 17, 8 is a 16, 1 carry, 8 is a 16, 17, okay. 22, 6, 9, 3, 396. Yeah, what is this? 396, 792 by 7 centimeter cube plus 396 centimeter cube by 7 is the volume of the ice cream cone we got. Okay, yeah, sum this. Yeah, LCM is 792 plus 792 centimeter cube plus 396 centimeter cube. Okay, I'm going to erase. Here it is. Right, 792, 396, 8, 99, 18, 1 carry, 10, 1 1, 8 I think it is, 8, 8, yeah, okay. What is that? 1188 by 7 centimeter cube is the volume of the ice cream cone. Okay, the volume of ice cream cone is equals to 1188 centimeter cube by 7. This is the volume of the one ice cream cone. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the number of ice cream cones which can be filled with that ice cream. Okay, right. So consider number of ice cream cones to be filled by ice cream equals to n. Consider n ice cream cones we can fill with that ice cream. Okay, right. So for each ice cream cone 1188 by 7 centimeter ice cream quantity is needed. Okay, for n ice cream cones, for one ice cream cone 1188 by 7 centimeter cube ice cream is needed. For n ice cream cones, that is equals to n into 1188 by 7 centimeter cube, isn't it? Is it clear? So for one ice cream cone 1188 centimeter cube by 7 ice cream quantity is needed. For n we have to multiply with n. Okay, right. Okay, I think you are getting this problem. Right, next. So n ice cream cones is equals to 1188 n by 7 centimeter cubes. centimeter cube quantity of ice cream needed, right? So here how much quantity of ice cream we can fill? How much quantity of ice cream we can fill in that cones? That is nothing but the volume of ice cream is filled into the cones is equals to the volume of the ice cream which is contained in the container, that which is in the cylindrical shape, isn't it? Is it clear? The volume of ice cream is filled in the ice cream cones is equals to the volume of the ice cream which is contained in cylindrical container. Is it clear? Right. What I am saying? Volume of ice cream which is filled in cones is equals to volume of ice cream which is in a container, which is in container, isn't it? Container is in the shape of cylinder, that is nothing but volume of cylinder. Okay, that is volume of ice cream filled in n cones is equals to volume of cylinder. Okay, is it clear? I am giving very clearly here, right? Right, that is nothing but, yeah, what is this value? 1188 n by 7 centimeter cube is equals to 11880 by 7 centimeter cube. Okay, I forgot to write here 7, I think. Right, is it clear? Yeah, the volume of the cylinder is 11880 by 7 centimeter cube, right? So take the cross multiplication. So n remains as it is, remaining things 11880 into 7 goes to numerator here into centimeter cube as it is by this 1188 comes to denominator into 7 as it is. Is it clear? Yeah, right. So n is nothing but number of ice cream cones to be filled. Okay, right. 7 gets cancelled, centimeter cube is there here, centimeter gets cancelled, and 1188 ones tens. Is it clear? Now we got n is equals to 10. Okay, what is that? N equals to 10. It means therefore 10 ice cream cones can be filled with the ice cream. Okay, how many cones we have filled here? So yeah, 10 cones. Okay, right. This is the solution of the problem number 5. So watch the video again and again to get the clarification. Okay, right.